Zmija velikanka, sada u vašom gradu, sutra u Belgradu, velika atrakcija, duga 3 metara. I kill you, you kill me. We kill ourselves to be free. I fuck you, you fuck me. We fuck ourselves to be free. I kill anyone who came to my street. Didn't say anything, didn't want to meet. A few years later, they killed me. Who it was, no time to see. I drive you, you drive me. We drive ourselves to be free. I fuck you, you fuck me. We fuck ourselves to be free. We kill each other like maniacs. The police let us go free because we are psychos. That's we wanted to be. Kolo sreće se okreće, it's the Third World War. The aggressors are Mr. Bill Clinton, Mr. Slobodan Milošević. Zgradit ćemo fabrike, zgradit ćemo škole, ali ima jedan problem. Nema para, nema pameti. I kill you, you kill me. We kill ourselves to be free. I fuck you, you fuck me. We fuck ourselves to be free. A knife in a stomach, a bullet in your head. I make you happy every night, don't make me mad. I drive you, you drive me. We drive ourselves to be free. Vodimo ljubav, ne vodimo rat.